Yo, yo. What is good, everyone? Right. Hello. Hello. I wonder if the right mic is enabled. Okay, now it should be. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in my school uniform. I might get changed. TBH. Right, let's fucking do this. Let's do this. Come on, man. Oh, okay. Let's go here, here, here. Wait, who's in the chat? Look, there's already 3 people watching. Okay. Copy link. We'll tell the Discord I'm live. Everyone. Live right now. 1 win away from PAYOUT. And we're live. Okay. Let's fucking do this, right? Who's in the chat? Who is in the fucking chat? Okay. I need to like tidy my desk up because this is too much. This is way too much. Your best friend is already in the chat. Yo, burst in the chat, Mr. Positivity. What is this PA? Yo, David Meeks. Hello, MSKAS. Hello, Mathis. Hello, David. Hello, Kajia. Hello, Owen. One trade away. That's kind of just because it sounds better in the title. I'm 1 win away. I've got 4 winning days. I'm on 300. It depends on the profit. It depends on the profit we make from this trade. If we trade at all, I need to fucking tidy my room. Yeah, I'm getting out of my school uniform this PMO. Well, it's not even school uniform. It's just whatever I want to wear, but I need to get some new school uniform at school. Like, it's a bit shit now. Fucking shove that in there. Fucking shove that in there. I'm trying to tidy my desk and my room up because it's a little bit messy. Let me know if all the audio is okay, guys. Is all the audio, is everything audio-wise okay? Let's take a look. Once some more people get in, I will take a look at the charts. Charity charts. How's everyone doing? Who's traded today? Who has traded so far today? My headphones broke. I need new earphones, man. Hopefully the payout can buy me new earphones. Joking, it's getting reinvested back into trading. Are you going to trade? Yeah, I'm looking for trades for the next hour. I like longs, to be honest. I think I'm only going to take longs. Woo! And I'll explain why in a moment. We've got 9 people in here. We'll try wait for 20 people to come in. Just because I don't really like explaining myself 1,000 times when more people join. So we'll see if 20 people are going to hop in. We'll wait maybe 5 more minutes. And then I'll explain what's going on. Some people are in the Discord channel right now. Okay. Right, let me fully clean my bedroom. Let me go off the cam and go fucking... Because you guys are fucking weirdos, so I'm fucking pulling my pants down. Am I off? Okay, I'm off. Oh, yeah. Ugh. Okay. We're ready to rumble. Woo! Matt Stapley says, "Yo, what's up, Matt? Guys, if anyone's in here want to join the Discord, join the Discord. Maybe turning my light on would make my camera better. Not long until I can afford a proper camera." no. Mamma mia. What is he doing? I'm fucking getting changed because I just literally just came back from school. Yo, Damai. That's a cool name. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Let's see what happens if we do this. Is anything better? Okay. We're ready now. I just wanted to go live. Stop farting about, right? 16 people. Once we get to 20 people, I'm going to explain kind of what I'm doing on the charts. Oh, this laptop makes me small. What? Nah, I'm trading right now, sorry. Should I do the ice bucket challenge? But I will not be participating. Wait, I'm kind of looking a little bit more shredded than last time. Shredded. Hang on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Woo! Alright, let's keep it trading related. Woo! Okay. Woo! Who's taken a trade today? Who has taken a freaking trade today? Trade today. Who in the chat's taken a trade? Let's tell people. Oh! Deodorant now. Beep beep. Beep beep. You know the last time I took a win on stream? The last time I took a win on stream was genuinely so long ago now. It was like, when was the last time I traded on, I took a win? It was 2 Wednesdays ago, so it was like 16 days ago was the last time I took a dub on stream. Because I didn't stream on, the 2 days I haven't streamed this week, I've taken wins on. Maybe streaming's fucking my trades up, Joe. Hey mate, what's your bias? Alright, we'll go over it now. You know what, we'll go over it now. We've waited long enough. Right. Basically, is my camera okay? It's too big. Let me crank it down. Let me shut the blinds. Not shut them up, just make them a little bit taller. Just makes the camera so much more pleasant to look at. Whew, okay. Bias. So, on NQ. Oh yeah, I need to do it for the video anyway. Let's start the recording. Stetson, this is the start of the fucking pre-market analysis. So, pre-market analysis, my analysis is, I'm pretty fucking bullish. Let me just clear this so we can restart. I'm pretty bullish. I just fucking am. Obviously, we've taken out these highs, but personally, I don't give a shit because on the 4 hour, uno thing that I've noticed though, that's just happened with this closure. So thankfully, I'm actually doing a proper pre-market analysis instead of like a shitty one in school. We have inversed that gap, yes, but we've drawn literally just into this gap instead. on the 1 hour. Fucking London lows are non-existent, whatever. We've swept this shit here. The thing is, which we can see on ES, we have a little SMT going on with ES lagging, and on fucking here, this is the leading index. So, what the fuck have I done? Okay, and then on NQ, I don't know. We did get an inversion on NQ, but we've drawn into here. We've got 1 hour SMTs. I'm willing to long up until literally the fucking London highs. I'm looking for longs into London highs, basically, especially if this SMT confirms. And the reason I didn't want to just start slamming longs in is because we have this 1 hour fair value gap here, which I was looking to get inversed. If we had closed here, I would have already been looking for longs if we had got that inversion, right? But we didn't. However, we did rebalance it. We get a new reason on ES here. As you can see, we get the new sweep. This is the newest kind of liquidity that's been swept. So, for me, longs look good. Longs look valid. As long as we can actually get a fucking setup. So, I mean, on 15-minute, like this shit. Clear SMT. Bang, bang. I would like a 5-minute inversion of this gap. And then we will see if there's longs to be taken. I'm also willing to trade this as well, the leading index. I don't just have to trade the lagging one. Just depends. So, that's the end of the pre-market analysis editor. I'm going to actually stop recording. Start recording. Whew. I'm going to get leaner. I was talking about this in my video today. I'm going to get leaner for another month. Damn! Yeah, and one more month of getting leaner. Because the lighting's trash. Okay, that literally makes it no better. Okay. Any chest striation? Okay, a little bit. There's more on this pack. There's more striation on this pack. People who don't like go to the gym are gonna think this is so weird. Wait, YouTube just added a new feature where I can see my subscribers. Damn, I've almost got resting apps. That's kind of cool, actually. Yo, who's in the chat? Who the fuck is in the chat? Who's in the chat? Who's in the chat? Chat. Hey, who's in the chat? Who's in the chat? See your subscribers. I can see everyone who's subscribed. Well, I guess everyone who has public subscriptions on. That's cool. Kind of weird on YouTube how you can't block people. Damn, I see some people I recognize. Let's see if there's... Okay. Let's see if there's anyone else I recognize. I've just seen Ryan. He's got a public subscription on. Johnny Sins. I think I know that person. Nah, there's no one else I recognize. Most people have private subscriptions, for sure. Like, I got 1.1k subs, but there's only, like, 100 names set. Alright. I guess no one wants to talk in the chat. We got an empty chat today. This is a problem with doing it after school. We actually might have a setup. Legendary. I'm gonna have to go for a shit though at some point. I'm dead as locked in for this cut now. I just had an illness, so I couldn't really be bothered counting my calories. But I also couldn't really be bothered eating, so it was like, yeah, whatever. But now, I'm back to tracking the calories. 2.4 on a rest day today, 2.6 on a training day. 20 people. Yo, who's just joined? Who's just joined? Who the fuck has just joined, bro? I need a shit. Again, I was talking to my mate about this. I was saying, because every time we're in psychology at 2 o'clock, I'm like, I keep going like, oh, I need a shit. And I'm not trying to be funny, like, I genuinely need a shit. And he was like, well, maybe during the holidays, your digestive system has conditioned itself. And I was thinking, damn, every time it's market open, I need a shit. Like, what? It's so annoying. Like, pick a better time to need a shit, man. Maybe it's prepared. Oh, here's a theory. Maybe because it knows my body is going to go into a flight or fight mode during the market when I'm in a trade, which it doesn't really anymore. But let's just say it does flight or fight. You get the adrenaline when you're in a trade, which to be fair, I don't really get anymore. Because it's prepared for that and it knows it's about to happen. When you're in fight or flight, your digestive system basically like slows the fuck down. So it's probably just getting everything out beforehand. Oh, I'm a scientist. I'm a fucking scientist. No, I just can't wait to be sat here with like actual abs. I need to train abs again though, because I've fallen off. But the gym I go to has got a new piece of kit, which isn't the coolest piece of kit. It's got a pull-up bar, a dip bar, which is cool. We already fucking had that. I think the handles are going to be nicer though, because honestly, the handles on the other one were kind of tough. But what was I going to say? Oh yeah, they've got an ab station where they've got like the padding. Because before I was just doing hanging leg raises, right? Hanging and just raising my legs up. But you can it's kind of annoying because you start swinging, like, and I don't want to go super slow. Like, I do want to use a little bit of momentum. But the new one, it's so comfortable on your arms because it kind of hurts, like, I don't know, it just feels, I don't want to do a dead hang. I'm not trying to fucking stretch my back. So you put your arms down, like here, and then your back's, like, against a pad, and you raise your legs. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. I did, like, a few reps on it, but I need to do, like, an actual proper few sets of abs doing that, so yeah. Looking shredded, mate. What split do you do? Space rock. Oh, by the way, guys, because some of you guys I don't recognize, I'm going to send the Discord link into... Oh, I'm going to send the Discord link. What split do I do? So, right now I'm on a two day on, 1 day off split, so it's not like, it doesn't work around a week basis. It's just, I guess, yeah, it's 2 on, 1 off, so it'll be chest, biceps 1 day. Next day will be back and triceps, rest. Then it'll be chest, shoulders. Okay, next day it'll be legs, and depending on the leg session, it might be like I toggle between I switch between like a quad focused leg day and a hamstring focused leg day, which doesn't mean I just do quads or just do hamstrings. It just means like I do more of it and I do it at the start of the workout. So that's quite fun because for a long time now I have the 2 chest sessions in the split. But for a long time, I just had 1 chest session, and I had, like, 2 leg day splits. But I got a physique analysis from a pro, and he said, you need to work on your chest. So I fucking throw some more chest in, throw some more exercises in, fucking make sure I'm training it harder, and, yeah, man. Yeah. It's definitely not the leanest I've ever been, but it's definitely the biggest my abs have been. Because I was leaner back in August, because I was in America and I was eating like the most bland food, so I could barely eat any of it. And I was going through some shit, and like when you're stressed out, bro, it's so hard to eat a lot of food. Like, some people binge eat, but I'm one of those people who can't eat a lot when they're stressed out. So that basically just meant, I mean, I look like shit after, because I wasn't getting enough, like, nutrients. So my body just went really flat. But, I mean, once I, like, filled back up again, if you guys know kind of what that term means, once I filled back up again, it was fucking nuts. I do the same for legs, but wouldn't you feel biceps too much doing back? What do you mean? Wouldn't you feel biceps too much doing back? Nah. It depends on what your strong points are, because my back's a strong point, so that kind of makes it a primary mover. But if you've got a genetically strong arms, which my arms, they're more of like a middle point on my physique. Like, my strong point to weak point. My strongest point, like physique wise, is my back. Then probably my quads. Then maybe my shoulders, or maybe triceps. But my weakest is I would say, from weakest to not so weak, it goes chest, hamstring, bicep. So, because my bicep is like not so genetically stronger point, it's more of a thing where I more can pull with my back better. I'm that's one of the things I'm alright at, is pulling with my back on movements. But if you take someone like, I don't know if you know bodybuilding at all. If you take someone like Ramon Dino, who's a classic physique guy, who's got fucking huge arms, like, I'll show you him, in case you don't know him. If you take someone like this dude here, who's got fucking genetically huge arms, he's gonna have the issue, and like he's got a good back, but it's not like an insane strong point. He's gonna have the issue of pulling with his arms, and his arms are gonna be doing the movement on back stuff because of it's just a genetic strong point. And if he doesn't consciously think about it, or even if he does consciously think about it, it's gonna be more his arms putting in the work than the back. But no, for me, that's not really an issue. And I don't mind doing it. Like, I'll do some underhand rows. I always have something underhand. I used to do underhand pull downs. Right now, I do underhand like a Yates style row. So yeah. Unknown Monkey, yo, what's up, bro? What's up? Yeah, but right now my back shit. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you motherfuckers my back, cause I can brag about my back, cause I have a good back. Where's my back? Let's find it. Oh, fuck you. That's not an actual, well, this is my lats from the front. I'm starting to realise I think I have a thick waist. I don't know, though. I'm still hoping there's just a lot of fat on there. Because if you look, like, there's still, like, well, you can't see in this lighting. Oh, you kind of can. Like, I've got alright obliques. Like, they're, like, visible. But this bit here, there's still some fat hanging on. Not as much as I was at peak bulk. But I don't know, I think I do have a bit of a genetically, not wide waist, but fucking, it's not fucking like, it's not like a Keon Pearson waist. Let's see if there's one on my back. Oh, here we go. So this is why it's my strong point. Boom. Oh, hang on. Boom. See, that's my strong point. That's my strong point right there. Let's see the V-taper. This is a good one for me. I look big in this, but my abs are a bit more separated now, which is nice. I'm taking physique pictures in some time. Oh, I wasn't fucking showing it. What am I doing? Wait, how long was that like that for? I was talking about this. Fucking... Bro, it wasn't even showing. Here we go. Boom. Wait, hang on. Boom. Boom. Oh, we have a trade though. We have a trade. Hang on. Holy moly, macaroni. We have a fucking trade. We have a trade. Woo! Okay. How are we looking? Oh shit, enter now. Yeah, enter right now. What the fuck are we doing? Why can't I buy? Why can't I buy? Hello? Fuck. Right, what the fuck are we doing? Buy. How do I add a stop loss though? Because I haven't fucking... Oh, whatever. Right, stop loss. We're gonna have an imaginary one. Imaginary? Not imaginary. You guys know what I mean. Right, stop loss there. TP up here. We're chilling. Okay. Okay, we're in a trade. We're in a trade. We're in a trade. Let's check I'm recording. Everyone, I'm in a trade right now. Join the fuck up. Create limit orders. Yeah, nah, that was taking me way too long because there was one time where because I placed a limit order, it took me a little bit longer to enter, and that literally fucked up the trade. Like, it wasn't the only reason. It could have been a better trade, sure, but the limit order kind of fucked up my trade, I'm not gonna lie. So I've just been... Because the thing is, I mean, I'm sat here watching it, so it's not that much of an issue, but the thing is, I'm going in with 2 contracts anyway, because that's the max contracts I can use, and I would like to use more. And I also don't want to use a mini contract, because a mini contract is way too much risk. Alright, this is it, boys. I really need a shit, though. But I can't leave my laptop unattended. Well, I guess I can. I'll just have, like, shit in my pants when I come back. If I have to come back quick. Yeah, I might just let this run, take my phone. Can we hit stop loss, guys? Yeah, let's fill the fucking bears right now. Alright, no, I'm happy with this. I'm happy. Cause I'm happy, 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 happy. That's a 1-to-1. Fuck, bro, like, there's literally no risk on this fucking bullshit, man. Like, I want to put more risk on. Yeah, just go ES. What the fuck? Like, if I want to place a fucking limit order here, right? With fucking 1. How much? Yeah. The fuck? What are we doing? Oh, shit. Oh, I should have done this. Type shit. Oh. I should have gone in with a limit order. Use minis. Yeah, I might. Mini contract is like diddy diddling you. What the fuck are we on about? Yeah, I might just go in with a mini right now. Exit this shit, because I'm in a little bit of profit. And just go in with a mini. Yeah, I'm doing that. Fuck it. Right, I actually took a little bit of profit. Right, I'm going in with a mini. Fuck it. I would like to go in with a mini, please. Let's just double check. Oh, shit, though. No, I don't know now. Fuck, why have I done that? I don't want to go in with a mini, matter of fact. Unless I get a better entry. I don't think I want to use a mini. Unless I can get, like, filled there. Yeah, I'll use a mini if I can get, like, filled there, but... No, fuck it. I think I'm just gonna hop back into this. I would like to use a mini, because that's actually pretty chill. Right. Fuck, bro. Nah, I might just stick with my micros. Because I'm not fucking going in there. That's so stupid. Like, do I want... No, I don't want 500 risk. I'm literally... No, I don't want 500 risk. Like, fuck, okay. Oh shit, we're in. Fuck, okay, we're in a fucking mini, bro. Fuck it, we're in a mini. We're in a mini. Okay. So guys, I'm fine with this trade. So whatever. Nah, bro. As soon as I do a mini, we get this shit. That's peak. Right, that's a wrap. Fuck that. We're back at break even. As soon as I do a mini, bro, you've got to be kidding me. Well, we followed the strat. I mean, yeah. We followed it fine. Fucking, right. Whatever. Whatever, schmever. Yeah. Right, what are people saying? Bro. We took the L. We took the damn L. Whatever. What the fuck ever, bro. Whatever. It's just annoying how when I use the mini that happens. But you know what? It's not been a bad week. It's definitely not been a bad week. 2 wins and 1 loss. I'll just fucking enjoy my weekend type shit. You know? Where was my stop loss? It was here. Yo, imagine this reacts. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, that is a fucking chop fest. Whatever. Whatever, schmever. Back up fucking... Oh, damn, bro. Damn it, bro. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Damn you, bro. Damn you, bro. Whatever. Whatever. If I watch this go to TP now, I'm actually gonna be a little bit mad. I'm gonna be a little bit mad. GG, guys, it's over. We did it. We? Who the fuck is we? Notion. Notion. Ocean in the ocean, in the notion. Now I'm preying on the downfall of this trade. This trade better not set up. This play out. This trade better not play out. Let's see how the new video's done. Can bring some light into my day. Oh shit, that's not. Yo, guys, whoever's in the chat, subscribe, please. Oh, there we go, okay. Yo, 1K views in 24 hours would be wild. Would be wild. Can we hit 80 by the end of the stream? Whoever's watching and not subbed, please sub. Damn, that was a nice Austrade though. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm trying to... Oh, shit. We're disconnecting. Hello? Fucking reconnect, man. Come on. Alright, we're back. I think it just disconnected for a second. I'm trying to... Okay. Let's just see. Was there any... What was the issue with this trade? What was the issue? We'd already rebalanced that. We swept that. 4 hour was bullish. We were in that. 15 minute. 15 minute is a chop fest. 5 minute. 5 minute fucking inversion. Bang. Come down to the 1 minute. Trade off after 10:50. 10:50 we get the tap in. It's not like there's any breaker structure to the downside. What prop firm do you use? I use Top Step. What's your account balance? Like break even. Literally break even. So it's not an awful position to be in for sure. For sure it's not an awful position to be in. I'm just wondering, is there any point getting a re-entry? Or is this trade cooked? Do we just fucking leave it? Because I'm so happy with this. Like, everything looks good on it. Like, this trade looks good. But I think it's too much of a chop fest. And we were part of the chop fest. My mic's cutting out. I have a 50k account. I've had no issues with Top Step. However, I do wish I had a Tradeovate account. Sorry, I wish I had a Top Step X account instead of a Tradeovate account. That's what I would do if I could go back in time. 5 minute breaker structure. Well, I was trading off that 5 minute inversion. The inversion of this, retrace, bang. Potentially re-enter. Potentially. There's potential to re-enter. Could I re-enter? Like, I like this trade. Is the mic still cutting out, by the way? Someone let me know if the mic's still cutting out. Do you have friends that trade? Loads of motherfuckers in here I would call friends. In real life, not really anymore. Took any trades? Yeah, I just took a trade. I just took this. Got stopped out about here. Stopped out. I'm just reconsidering Mike Jordan. I'm just reconsidering a re-entry. Potentially off that gap. I mean, if I were to re-enter. Okay, first off, I wouldn't do fucking micros. I'm... Fucking shit like this. Just, I'd probably put that there. And then fucking go like bang. Ba-ba-ba-boom. Oh, but this looks good though. Like this looks good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I like this trade still. I can't put 400 risk on, fuck that. Yeah, low key, and I don't. So Matthew says minus 400 for me today, impatient and shit. Stop losses sucks, but it is what it is. I legit said I should not be trade today and then still do. Yep, same with me, bro. I'm down 300. How does getting an account with top set work? Do they have? I don't know what the fuck that means. Why is bro minis? Because fucking the risk was okay for it today. And there was like no, I was on micros originally, and I was like, fucking hell, there's like no risk on this shit. I should have stayed on. Now with hindsight, I should have stayed on micros. Worse, I was correct, but just impatient. My entry was invalid, and therefore the stop I thought was good wasn't. I was just impatient as fuck and saw something that wasn't even there. Wait, what trade Matthew, what trade did you take? Put a top on. So I don't have to hold the mic. Because apparently it's cutting out. Oh, man. I literally like this trade, bro. It's actually kind of making me salty. I got stopped out of this bullshit. It's kind of making me salty, bro. I could have stayed in minis, bro. Why did I stay in minis? I mean micros. Oh, fuck me, bro. Fuck me. Fuck this shit. Like, fucking, bro. Nah, that's fucking retarded. It's too choppy, man. I wanted... I like the trade, I just don't think... Oh, I just know I shouldn't. But if it plays out, I'm gonna be annoyed. But I think I'd be... Hang on. I think I'd be more annoyed if I get stopped out now. Again. A second time. Right. Do you know one of one funded from TGR? No, I know what it is. I've never used it. Apparently they have 100%. Well, I'm pretty sure didn't they go like bankrupt or something? I'm not saying they did. I'm literally asking. Like I haven't heard of their name in like 3 months. I think they're just trying to pay everyone out and then they're just gonna fuck off by the sounds of it. 100% for them. Oh. The best part is the trade I took. I traded pre-market and was right. One of the facts will be aimed. So should I try shorting down to the low again? Bro, I'm actually dead ass a little bit salty about this trade because, bro, it's just a chop fest, man. Chopping around the Christmas tree. Like, this shit is literally a chop fest, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, this is a chop fest today. I'm allowing myself to say this is a chop fest today. I entered 7. Oh, 7. 753. What, like this? In my humble opinion, don't re-enter you. Yeah, this shit's so choppy. I'm gonna be annoyed if I get stopped out again. Yeah, it's just gonna piss me off getting stopped out. More so, yeah, like, if I get stopped out, then that's just gonna be fucking horrible. But this trade looks so good, though. It's like, that's the annoying part, man. Oh, bro. Bro. Fuck. Bro, in my opinion, it was a legit good trade. What you did, you just did the same as me. I don't know what you went. I got bottom tick straight to TP earlier. Bro, David Meeks keeps telling me fucking take it. I'm not fucking... Is a good trade, though. At 750. Would we have hit TP? No, we wouldn't have hit TP. I don't know what we would have hit by now. Fucking, what would we have hit by now if we didn't get fucking stopped out by that fucking much? We'd be at a 1-to-1 again. We were already at a 1-to-1. I want to see, bro. There's no way. I'm not really complaining with the stops, though. Like, my stops were fucking... No, I'm not even complaining with where my stops were at. Like, low-key. They were fine. Like, even if I put them here... Like, it's not like moving them marginally would have fucking helped, either. And down here is like, I don't know if I want to fucking... And then I'm targeting a 1 to 2 fucking... Targeting like there, I guess. I mean, could have, but... Nah. Even that, yeah, it's like... $7.53. Short on NQ is honestly so stupid. When I see it and now I'm just brain rot impatient. I knew the low gonna hit and didn't stay patient and got... Wait, why are you trading... Like, obviously, you're a better trader than me. I'm literally just asking. Why are you trading pre-market? Like, why? Yeah, why are you trading pre-market? Where your stop losses need improvement. Sooner Legenda. No, I'm not even complaining about the stop loss, because I'm not going to put the stop loss here. That's just not... I don't want to be in a trade for this fucking period of time. Like, for it to play out. I don't like those trades. I don't like those trades. Can you show how you decided on your daily bias from earlier today? My daily bias was bullish, even though we've taken out... Well, you could call this bearish. I don't know. Like, we're going up so strong the last couple of days, but we did just take those highs. But then on 4 hour, obviously we've got that inversion, but we've got... I'm answering a you will know monkey, by the way. We've obviously got the inversion, but we've tapped into this 4 hour gap. So, literally the same shit as yesterday. I was literally just doing the same shit as yesterday. Tapped into that gap. Boom. Like that. So that was kind of the idea. Was tap in up. That happened last time to these highs. I was just, like, literally the same thing today. Tap in. Fucking expecting a move to here. Literally looked the same to me. But today, we didn't actually get an inversion of this gap, but we got a rebalance. And then this shit was looking a bit messy. This shit swept. This shit, boom. We also had an SMT here. Was it here, or was it... What the fuck am I doing? There was an SMT, but I'm being a retard. Oh, SMT here. Here. And... fucking here. Wait, what am I on about? Yeah, SMT swept those lows on ES. This had already been rebalanced, so I wasn't concerned about that. 5 minute retrace into here after we got the inversion of this gap here. And then, I mean, obviously, now it's actually kind of playing out. Well, fuck it, bro. Fuck it, fuck. 1-to-1, I am undisciplined and just can't stick to 930. Oh, hang on, 1. I read that wrong. I read the I as a 1. Hang on, let me just read these. On the 5 minute, there were 2 fair value gaps. You could put it on one. Oh yeah, let me just change to your entry, bro. Yeah, because this entry didn't work for me though. Yeah, sorry, bro. The two wins I got earlier this week. Yeah, no, but this one loss has invalidated the entire strategy is invalidated now because I've taken an L on the final day of the week. Shit, let me change my whole strategy and my whole fucking entry. Thank you, bro. Thank you. You've fucking enlightened me. I'm gonna be profitable now. Thank you. 1, I am undisciplined and just can't stick to 930 to 11. Nah, but I see a clear ass draw and I expected today to be shit. Yeah, you literally predicted it. I mean, you had no reason to predict it, I don't think, but you did predict it. Calm down, little bro. Hang on, let me finish reading this one. When I see pre-market be good, I'd be like, it's likely if we get anything. Try hard. What are people on about? Try hard ain't even that deep. Cheers, bro. Sure you're fucking profitable. When I see pre-market be good. Okay, we get it. Pre-market. Just a chop fest, which I was correct on again. Trading today pre-market for me was really the correct call, technically, condition-wise, but I just didn't stay patient. I was too greedy and fried myself for it. Damn. Yes, this trade's not playing out. Yes! I'd have to watch it hit fucking TP. My reason to predict is, quote, simple. Insane week, Monday to Thursday. Yeah, that's a good point, bro. Potentially, bro, a Friday's cooked. Should we... Bro, let me go on here. Because now we've got ES. Hang on, what the fuck? Perfect retrace into what? David Meeks, bro. Oh yeah, bro, we need to hop on Minecraft. Everyone spams stocks in the chat. No, this is a funded account. Liam. I don't think I've seen Liam before. Yeah, okay, sorry. I was fucking looking at this shit. Add icon. X. So, have I won a Friday? Loose, loss. Loss. Okay, win. Okay, that was a win, but that was a sketchy ass win. That was not a good win. That was a sketchy ass win. Oh my god. I literally only lose on Fridays. Yo, Matthew, is it valid that I quit Fridays? Is it valid? I've heard other people just don't trade Fridays. Could it be valid that I just stop trading Fridays? Potentially. Potentially valid? Question mark. Anyway, yeah, David Meeks, what? Like, you're saying retrace. Retrace into what? The 15 minutes of Chop Fest. The 5 minute it's retraced into an imbalance, a fair value gap that has already been rebalanced before. We've tapped into there. Okay, it's reacted, but I'm not going to take a trade off of this fucking gap when it's been absolutely diddled with. Thank you, same thing. It's such a retracing into just chop. Is valid. A lot of people don't trade Fridays. Jack test. Back test it was. Yeah, let me see my back tested shit. But I don't even think it's just Friday. I genuinely. No, sorry. I don't even think it's like you can just check back test. I feel like. Because what I've heard from other people. So this isn't like an original thought, obviously. I've heard it loads. Is when you get to Friday, your mind kind of starts to slip. Like your mind's, I don't know, you're just not as fresh. And you know, you can kind of just get slips in your mentality. So potentially Friday will look fine on backtest. Where even is my backtested stuff? This isn't it. Oh, here. Okay. BMR, yo. The fuck is this? Oh, this ain't it. Bro, there's... See, when I backtest... Okay, there's a winner. Okay. I mean, backtested Fridays aren't even bad backtested. They're not even bad, but it's like in the live market. BMR, currently watching you in school after an exam. Yo, what exam have you just done, BMR? 11 AM, 1 minute order block. It says Mitra. I don't think I've ever spoken to Mitra before. Should have got in that retrace, buddy. Yeah, I'm good, bro. Yeah, 100%. I legit feel it today, Harry. I just felt like a degenerate and take a loss. Yo, low-key, I might quit Fridays. Because if you lose on a Friday as well, it just sets the weekend up to be kind of crappy as well. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, well, you know what? Even though I've taken a bigger loss than I would have liked today, it's still been an okay week. It's because it was, if I won this trade, this would have been the best week I've ever had, right? But fucking, you know what? It's still been an okay, it's been an okay week. 2 wins and a loss. Look, bro, if I stay on that track, if I do that every week, yeah, even if it's like I'm still up. How much? I'm still up 450 this week. 450. What is the win rate of your strat and backtest? It's about 65% win rate in backtest, but it goes down, like you can see here, we've got an exactly 50-50 win rate this month. So when I'm in live testing, when I'm in the live markets, I still make some mistakes. For example, like Wednesday, that could have been a win. That would have already sent me from, because there's such little data in a month. Just fixing this Wednesday, which on a back, I'm not even saying that like, oh, I could have won that. No, if this was back tested, this Wednesday here would have been a win. So I'm not making excuses. I'm just saying like that's why the back testing's higher. But this changing from a loss to a win alone would put the win rate up like a good 8% alone. And then, you know, there's still more days to play out. Our payout's only Friday. I literally don't know. Never had a payout. I don't know if anyone else is saying anything. I'll probably do the see this shit PMO, bro. This shit PMO. We literally got stopped out by like, bro. We literally got edged out, bro. We literally got edged out. Oh well. Now, Matthew, how shit was this? A shit ass trade? Like that was it. Even if I was still in the fucking hell, bro. There is stocks on. We need him to open up the Minecraft, bro. We need him to open up the Minecraft. Someone tell this man to open up the Minecraft, goddammit. Wait, shit. Yo, 2 more subs. Can we get 2 more by the end of the stream? What the fuck was I gonna do? Oh yeah, we've got this video. Is it scheduled? I need to make a thumbnail for it. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. I don't even know if that stop loss placement was... Because even if I put it at the bottom of this gap... Oh, yeah, but there was another gap here. Nah, that's a diddy. That's not even a gap. Is that a gap? Nah, that's not even a gap. Okay. Right, that confirms that even if I changed my stop loss placement to here, we would have still been stopped out. Because there's no gap there. If there was a gap there, then I would be kind of like... Look, if there was a gap here, I would be like, okay, we should have put the stop loss at the bottom of that gap. And then it would have been like, okay, fuck, I actually made a mistake. Right? But... because there's actually no gap there on the 1 minute, I didn't fuck up. With hindsight, okay, the stop loss should have gone from here to here, which sounds stupid, but that can literally make the difference between winning and losing a trade, right? So, okay, now with hindsight, yeah, the stop loss should have been here, but I can't predict the charts, what they're going to do. My strategy, it should have been there. Fair enough. I had it a little bit too tight, but even there, I can't get annoyed because even there, it would have been stopped out. And yeah, man. Obviously, we ended up drawing into this second gap, but Fuck, bro. I can't even be annoyed with this week, even though we've taken a loss right at the end of the day. I can't even be mad. It was an okay week. It was okay. Right, does anyone in the chat have any questions? Or is it time to dip-a-roo? Is it time to get out of this? Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Any questions? Yes, no. If not, I'm out, and I'm going to post this video. Damn. Damn, shawty obese. Fucking hell. See if anyone's got any questions. If not, I'm out. I'm getting some food. When you taking your first payout? Well, I need one more winning day, but the account's at break even now. So, just depends. It just depends. If I get one more payout, but it's like, sorry, if I get one more win, but the win's like $1,000, then fuck yeah, I'm taking a payout. But, who knows, bro? We will see what happens next week. If we go Forex Factory, and we go, let's look at next week. Let's look at next week. Oh, turn this shit off. Even though yellow folder be having more impact than red folder at the moment. Monday, oh, no news Monday again. That's usually, the last 2 weeks, that's been cooked. Tuesday, tradable. Wednesday, tradable as long as this NFP doesn't absolutely fuck me over. And create like a huge spike in the market. Thursday, tradable. Friday, tradable. So, every day next week we will be trading. The only day I'm not going to be trading next is this Wednesday on the 7th of May. Because we've got FOMC, which I will not be trading. So, yeah, don't think there's much more to say. Don't think anyone has much to say either. Yo, 79, bro? Are you kidding me, bro? Yes, I'm praying on the downfall of this trade right now. Praying on the downfall. I might even have gone break even here, which is obviously better than a loss, but hey man, can't complain, man. Can't complain. It's been a good week. 450 up. Can we get one more before we leave? One more person. Come one more person. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Aye. See you guys. Thanks for watching.